Okay, so you may be somewhat familiar with the idea that there are core areas of psychology: biological, cognitive, developmental, individual differences, and social. Why are these considered core areas? Well, in part because some institutions said so, but also because they denote broad approaches that we can take to understanding human behaviour. What if I told you there is a sixth area of psychology called existential psychology? This area concerns how the human capability for self-awareness and reflection makes people acutely aware of some basic facts about life, these sometimes being referred to as the 5 ultimate concerns. The first one is the awareness that there is an unbridgeable gap between oneself and another. That is, we can never truly share our experiences or understand another person's. So no matter how hard we try to get close to another, we are destined to live life alone. The second, the awareness that someday we must all die, and that death is beyond our control, and we could die at any moment for reasons we could never fathom or predict, and that ultimately death entails the permanent annihilation of the self. The third concerns how to integrate our diverse experiences and beliefs, and maintain a clear sense of who we are and how we fit into this world, rather than feeling uncertain about our sense of self and purpose. The fourth relates to the awareness that we live in a world of infinite possibilities and desire free will to choose, but end up being paralysed by indecision in the wake of these infinite possibilities. But moreover, the fact that we are condemned to ultimately choose and sever our possibilities by choices that we make and sometimes fail to make. And finally, meaning, where we live in a world where only death is certain, where we can never really share our experiences with another, where our identity is uncertain, and we are paralysed by a dizzying array of choices we have in life. Does life really have any meaning? All of those things make it sound like existential psychologists are the last person you'd invite to a party. But their work can provide fascinating and useful insights into human behaviour. You might be surprised to know that many famous psychologists utilised existential perspectives in their work. However, as science moved towards being able to study human behaviour empirically, existential perspectives died out, as they were seen as too difficult to address using the scientific method. However, advancement in science and technology has seen the rebirth of existential psychology over the last 40 years and has led it to become a thriving area of scientific discovery, which examines how these ultimate concerns about life play out in a variety of different domains, including mental health, health behaviours, attitudes towards nature, as well as prejudice, conflict, and discrimination. So the question we should be asking is, should we be talking about 6 instead of 5 core areas of psychology?